Deep within your hot tub, there is an unseen buildup of contaminants. These accumulations can decrease sanitizer efficiency. Spa Flush lifts these accumulations with its concentrated and safe formula and is suitable for all hot tubs and spas. Read all directions before using, and always remember never to mix different products together in the same container. When you're ready to apply, make sure that your spa is heated above 90 degrees Fahrenheit and remove the filter. With the jets off, apply the entire contents of Spa Flush directly to your heated spa water. Just 16 fluid ounces can treat up to 750 gallons. Next, turn on your spa's jet motor to its highest setting for 5 minutes. If your spa is older and hasn't been treated with Spa Flush before, leave the jets on for 10 minutes. Let your spa operate as normal for at least 8 hours, but no longer than 48 hours. Avoid using your spa during this treatment. Just before draining your spa, turn on the jets as previously described. Then drain your spa as you normally would. Once empty, clean your spa's surfaces. Clean your spa filters using a specialized cleaning agent like Water Trend's Filter Wash. You can immediately refill your spa afterwards and operate it normally. If you have any questions or concerns about Spa Flush or your water quality, feel free to contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.